Here's a question that one of my students came to me with. It's in geometry, it's under patterns and inductive reasoning. And the question asks us to find what is the last digit of 2 to the 28th power and 2 to the 29th power without using calculators, and we're going to use patterns. So all we know as of now are just the powers. So we have 2 to the power of 1, 2, 2 to the power of 2, 4, 2 to the power of 3, 8, 2 to the power of 4, 16. So far there's not much of a pattern. We have 2, 4, 8, and 6 as the last digits. So let's continue. 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 to the 6th is 64. 2 to the 7th is 128. 2 to the 8 is 256. And now we're starting to see a bit of a pattern. We've noticed that there's 2, 4, 8, 6, and it repeats 2, 4, 8, 6 as the last digits. So that is our pattern. 2, 4, 8, 6. And notice they're in blocks of 4. Every 4 numbers has the pattern of 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. So since we want to find the 28th term, we're going to divide 4 into 28 to see if it's going to be the first, second, third, or fourth term. Okay. It ends in 7, so it ends at the end of the 7th block. So it'll end in a 6 at the end. Therefore, 2 to the 28th ends in 6. 2 to the 29th would be 4 into 29 would be 7 remainder 1. So if it's at the end, if 7 is at the end, then 1 would be at the top. So it would end in 2. So let's explain this part again. Since we know it's a 2, 4, 8, 6 pattern for blocks of 4, we divide 28 by 4. So in the 7th block, we know it ends in a 6 at the very end. Now 2 to the 29th is 7 remainder 1, so it goes back to the top. So it ends in 2.